What I do is I've got all of those connections at about 80%, 75, 80% tight, just enough that I still will have some wiggle in them, but they'll hold in place when I let go. So then I can work on all of my fitment to make sure that the tips are level on both sides and you're pressing it up all into place. And once that's in place, then you tighten them down. You check your fitment again, you check your tip alignment. Once that's all done, you're pretty much good to go at that point. And as you can see, as we back up here a little bit again, and we look, fitment looks really, really good. Okay, so next steps after that is just firing the car up, make sure that everything sounds good and all of your connections are tight. Make sure you don't have any loose brackets, you don't have any bolts that are hitting the brace across the middle of the body or anything else like that, and you're all done.